Hello, Reddit enthusiasts. Today, in just 1 minute, we're going to explore the dynamic world of Reddit communities. Whether you're a seasoned Redditor or a beginner, this guide is for you. Let's jump in. First, open the Reddit app or go to the website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Let's make sure you're ready to dive into the community experience. Go to the Home tab and scroll down to Community. By opening the page at the bottom of the screen, tap the Communities option. Click on it. Here you'll find a wide variety of subreddits covering almost every interest imaginable. Found something interesting? Tap a community to explore its content. If you like what you see, hit the Join button to become part of the community. Now that you're a member, dive into the discussions. Comment on posts, ask questions, and connect with community members. Reddit is all about engaging conversations. Feeling adventurous? If you have a unique interest that isn't covered by existing communities, consider creating your own. Share your passion with the world. There you have it. You've learned the basics of using Reddit communities in just 1 minute. If you enjoyed this short guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Reddit tips. Happy Redditing!